guys, welcome back to my channel. We are still counting down till it's Christmas. And today we're going to open door number 10 already. So let's see where that one is. It's here with Cinderella. So I'm just gonna pop it open. Oh, I like that too. I like them all, but anyway, I'm gonna get them out for you. I said let's get them out because these are two cats. It's Berlioz and Toulouse from the Aristocats, and they're dancing here. It's a dancing scene. Is it clear? I cannot really see it. I hope it's clear. I really like Aristocats. I'm hoping that they're gonna do a live action of that one as well. I haven't seen Lady and the Tramp yet, but I'm looking forward to that. So I think the Aristocats would be fun too. And well, here's the fact of today. Of course, about the Aristocats. There used to be plans for a fourth kitten. So 4 instead of 3. And his name, or I'm guessing it's his name, would be Waterloo. So that's what we're missing out on. And now I'm really wondering what kind of color that kitty would be. But anyway, that was the fact of the day. And this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a terrific day and I wish you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!